the exact same thing.
Really?
Yes.
It's not that high. It's on my head.
Now do it!
Like,
it's
it
tiny.
looks so small.
It's tiny.
Ah! You got it! Hello. We are here today. Where?
At Woodward West.
In?
Tehachapi, California.
You almost didn't know that, and you live like an hour and a half away. Tisk tisk. Today, Emma's doing board slides on handrails. This one and that one.
This isn't a
This is not a handrail.
You know what I mean! You're gonna full send today?
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, I'll try and give you pointers. I don't think I can skate. But
Okay, it's alright.
Sound good?
It's tall!
You got that.
I can't go on this side. I have to go that side.
Why? Just get on there. You wanna go do the smaller one inside first?
No, I've done that one.
Oh, well then you can do this one. Get on there!
I know.
You said you were 100% committing.
Oh my gosh.
Emma? There you go!
So scary.
You hesitated, that's
I
why.
so hesitated.
So now just do it. There you go. Easy. Alright, now 5 more times.
Do it 800 times.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's so tall. Do you know?
It's
like,
not. You
what?
just did it.
In my head, it's
Do it
taller
again.
than it is.
What's going on?
I don't know. It's like tall.
It's tall?
Yeah, a little bit.
You're gonna get onto a handrail.
Yeah, but the handrail's not that tall.
About the same height.
But the handrail's going down, so
Exactly,
it's
but
different.
it doesn't matter. It's the exact same thing.
Really?
Yes.
That was sketchy, but
There you go.
yeah, it's not that high. It's on my head. That was weak.
Got it. Keep it going. Got it.
Earlier.
Pop on earlier?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
That was so cool. I'm not scared anymore.
All right, how are you feeling?
Very good.
All right, Nigel, you said it. Doug said it. The handrail's gonna be easier.
This is way easier than this.
Really?
Guaranteed.
Oh yeah.
Promise?
The reason that this is hard is because you actually have to like
Ollie.
hop over it onto flat, and it's high to begin with. I wanted you to get really comfortable with this because literally you need to do this and then just go over there and pop on. Like I know in your mind you're saying yes, and you're just gonna go over there and do your I guarantee you, like started on like a Friday or something and then came back the next day and just did it. I wish I would have just done it because the whole first time I did it, I just didn't commit and I slid up to it and I got mad and I was like, no, I'm not gonna do this, forget this. And the next day I came back and I was like, I popped onto one and it was literally like, this is the easiest thing I've ever done. So as soon as you get on one, it's the most mellow thing ever. It's easier than this, honestly.
Okay.
Do this, skate over there, and I kid you not, if you just jump up and stay over your board like you do on this one, you're gonna do it.
Okay, I'm
And
gonna
then
do this
it's gonna
again.
be first try, and I'll give you $100.
Okay.
Ooh.
I don't know.
Shake on that. What are you doing?
I'll give you $100 if you do it first try.
Okay, deal.
Straight up. Anyway, you gotta do it. Trust me. I've done this. You just gotta do it. Now do it!
It's small. Like
It's
it
tiny.
looks so small.
It's tiny.
Like, hey, look where I've been on. Guys, go like a chill speed.
Oh my gosh.
As long as you're just cruising normal speed, you just get on like around here.
And it's so short and it's not even like steep.
You just get on it. You really just do the exact same thing as on here. It just slides easier.
You just gotta get on it, Emma!
You're not gonna get on top. At least right here.
Like, you know how low it is.
I know how it is.
You know how easy it is. You have a helmet on.
You wanna hold my hands on the first one?
Yeah.
Yeah, do that.
I get to touch his hand. Oh my gosh.
What? Get out of here.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
okay,
if you would
right
have
here.
just done that,
Right here.
I would have had you. Boom! Boardslide! Ouch! I saw that. Double shinner. Winner, winner, double shinner.
Emma, you ready?
Hands?
No, do it. Don't do it with hands. Just do it.
I need the hands.
What if I do it with my messed up hip?
No, I don't need to hurt yourself.
What if he does it anyways and then you feel bad?
I can so do it so easily.
And the funny thing is, you can probably do it first try.
Yeah, I'm sure you can.
And then you're gonna go, oh, fuck.
Just go a little faster than you just did. Hop on there, full commit. You got it. If you go fast, the less rail you have to grind, the less high you have to ollie. Like everything's just easier if you go faster.
When I'm skating handrail,
And it's easier to balance.
when I skate a rail, it's scary, and I'm terrified of. I go fast as I can.
Just so you can get on
Get
it.
that mental block out of the way, you know, like.
Because if you go fast enough and you pop on there, you're gonna miss the rail.
You could literally like smash and land like right here and you barely.
Can I like go fast and ollie and then just hope I land on the rail?
Yeah. Go for board slide though.
Oh, literally would have done it. Literally would have done it.
Really?
Ow! There you go. You got my back?
Yeah.
Same speed as me.
I'm not, wait. This right here, I promise.
What is the main thing you're scared of?
I don't know.
Slipping back?
Yeah.
That's it?
But I have your hands. So that was the back.
and lean that way.
Okay. I feel like I'm going too slow now.
Yeah, you
Right?
are.
I have to go faster?
Yeah, you should just do it.
All right.
Right here.
Right here.
Right now.
Right now. I didn't touch your hands. That doesn't count. All right. Maybe the hands aren't it. What do you think?
I'm telling you, just go fast. Ollie next to it 3 times and then just go for it. One, you're already over the rail. 2, that's your peak right there. You're almost to the bottom. If you tweak it, you're right there.
Okay.
Which is literally right here.
Okay.
That's nothing. From here to here is nothing. Literally just set it on there.
So ollie it and set it on there.
Ollie set it on there.
Okay.
Oh,
There you
just
go.
get
It's
on
okay.
there.
Just get on.
Keep going.
Literally
Keep going.
get
Keep
on
going.
there.
Oh, that was it.
Got it!
Okay.
You're there. Come on, you're there.
Oh.
Emma,
Yes.
you can do this.
Okay.
There you go. Keep your board with you.
Okay.
There, Emma.
Oh, that was so it.
You're
yeah, I
halfway
feel
there.
it.
Now just get on it.
From here, like, do you know how small it looks?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Oh, am I close?
You are. Like you know how to board slide. It's no different.
That hurts so bad.
I know. You're going to get hurt if you keep doing that. That's why I'm telling you, you should just get on there and get it over with. Emma, you're breaking my small little heart.
I'm so sorry. I don't think I can ollie that high.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, real quick. Doug, stand right here. Uzi, stand right there.
Grab the board.
Get the board!
Grab the board.
We're simulating this.
Put her on the...
Ollie, you land on it.
On. Forward. Damn.
There you go. That's it.
Out.
Lean
Alright.
forward too.
Yeah, lean more forward.
You ready?
Yes.
I'm ready.
Lean forward.
Who was that?
Let's go. Do it.
It's gonna be a
Land
lot
on the
better
rail.
when you land
Go
it,
like
though.
this. Do this. Do this. But with your board.
Like, actually try that.
With your
Oh.
board. Do it. All right, stay on the board.
Oh my gosh, this is dangerous.
Stay on the board. I don't
This
care.
is so dangerous.
It's okay. Stay on the board.
Ah, this is so dangerous.
Nigel, come help me. I have to get her to slide down the rail. Stand on your board.
Ah, I can't.
Put the other foot on the board.
Lean forward. Forward.
No, this is so
Forward.
scary. This is so scary.
You got the board? Literally, that's all you do.
See, you're like this though.
Please tell me it's not gonna feel
No,
like that.
you're like this. You have to be literally like.
Yeah, and well, if you have speed, it'll be way more stable. Like it's stable when you like roll onto it. my God.
You hit your head?
Yeah. Damn. I was going way too fast. I was going so fast.
Every time.
Are you good? How hard did you hit your head?
Smacked pretty good. I'm not tripping. Didn't break my eye, so. Look at worst case scenario right there. Can't do worse than that.
All right, you guys, it was a long and hard fought battle. It is 6:43 p.m. We've been at this since like 3 o'clock maybe. She has put her heart and soul into this, but she's gonna have to come back and conquer this a different day. It is okay, it's part of skateboarding. If you're not feeling it, you're not feeling it, and that is totally okay. You never wanna push yourself to do something that you don't wanna do, okay? That's like the main thing of skateboarding. If you're feeling it, you should do it. If you're not feeling it, don't force yourself to do it or you're gonna get hurt. Like that guy over there. Oh, there you go. So Emma, you were still afraid of that rail over there, and you can do that like a champ now. So you have still progressed today, and that is what matters. So we're gonna get her on this handrail, or maybe the Fremont handrail at some point soon. So look out for that video coming in the future. But until then, a huge thanks to Emma for coming out to Woodward and skating with us today. And a huge thanks to Woodward for letting us come here and having this entire place to ourselves. It is amazing, it's beautiful, and you guys are the best. So there's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and definitely give Emma some support. You guys know she can do it, so leave her some supportive comments right down there, letting her know that she can come back and do it. She's got it. We'll see you guys tomorrow.